This isn't just engineering. This is precision for care. This is DCTC-MED.
Next, we zoom into another field of precision, dental care. They may be compact, but their design is anything but simple. They all need to be thin, light, and rigid without adding weight or bulk. Many of these parts have open frames with large cutouts. Some have complex 3D geometry, different wall heights, and sharp transitions. That makes the casting process much more difficult. Even small deviation in form can cause twist, alignment issues, or uneven fit. Surface quality is another key factor. They need to look clean, feel consistent, and support high-end coating. That's why attention to detail and reliable process control really matter here.
Now let's see it in action.
A next-generation dental scanner was in development, designed to hold two jaw modules for quick, accurate diagnostic scanning. At the core was a cast aluminum base, compact, circular, ribbed for strength. Right above the mounting plate sat two raised posts. Each post needed to hold a jaw module with repeatable precision. That meant tight dimensional control and clean, pore-free material inside the holes. Any internal porosity could affect how the module sat. We examined the 3D module. At first glance, the layout seemed straightforward, but airflow was a problem. So we redesigned the tooling layout. We placed customer venting directly beside the post cores and along the rib transitions. And we used vacuum die casting not just to help air escape, but to actively pull it from the cavity during fill. The effect was clear. Significantly reduced porosity, then came ejections. Our team adjusted the pin pattern, balanced the force, and simulate every step. And when the final part came out, it didn't need rescue. It was casted clean, eject smooth, ready to assemble right from the mold. The customer moved forward with production, confidently in the repeatability.
When parts get complex and every contour matters, Sunrise make it work. Start your next project with us. With rich experience, precision machinery, and high-end measuring equipment, we deliver products of exceptional quality. Contact us today to discuss your needs.